I am going to show you how I created my Instagram Reels that pay me over $5,000 and more every time I post on Instagram. It takes me less than 10 minutes per day to do this. And this is a strategy that you can copy and paste so you can start making money on Instagram, whether you are selling your own digital products or online services. The best part is that anyone can do this without using any fancy editing software. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Okay, let's dive right in so you can see exactly how I create my Instagram Reels from scratch. Okay, after I clicked on the Instagram app on my phone, it brings me to my Instagram feed. Let's tap on my face so we can go to my profile, and we will go to Instagram Reels. And we will be recreating this reel right here that got over 1.5 million views. This is the reel that made me over $5,000. And I know this to be true because after I posted this reel, I got so many DMs from people asking me to teach them how to make money on Instagram. So let's recreate a similar reel so you know how to do this for yourself so you can promote your own digital products using your Instagram account. Let's tap on my face and let's go to the plus sign, and then we will tap on reel. So here you will see the content that I already have stored on my iPhone. Let's go to videos. You need to make sure that you have content on your mobile device so you can select the video that you want to upload to Instagram Reels. So I am going to select this video right here. After I select it, it turns a little dark, and you can see that this video is 4 seconds long. Now, if I wanted to post a different video, I can do that by selecting different ones. But today, for tutorial purposes, I only want to select this reel, which is about 4 seconds long, which is identical to the time for the reel that you just saw and that we are recreating. So click on next after you selected your video. And you may hear some volume in the background. I do apologize for that. It is just me talking in the background of this video. So let me try to pause that. Click on next. Okay, we are shopping. Okay, so I just paused my video so you do not hear me talking in the background. So if you are talking in the background in your video, or you have like background noise, you can always cover up that noise by adding audio. So I will show you how to do that in just a moment. For right now, let's trim this video. So if your video is too long, you can move the length of your video like this on the right-hand side or the left-hand side, and you can trim it to your liking. So for me, I am going to trim it to 3.5 right here. Okay, we are shopping. Because I like that frame. And then now I can add audio. So let's click on the music icon right here. And here I can choose my audio. Now, when you are choosing your audio, I do suggest you to choose trending music. As you can see, there is a trending option right here. And these are all the songs that are trending on Instagram. What this means is that creators are using these videos the most to post their content on Instagram. And if you choose trending music, you have a higher chance to go viral on Instagram, which is what we want. So the music that I selected for that previous reel that you saw earlier was trending during that time. After a few days or a few weeks, you should know that music stops trending because obviously there is new music that people are using on Instagram. So eventually, these trending songs just stop trending. It's not a big deal if they stop trending. What we want is just to get the most eyeballs for our reel within the first 2 to 3 days. So let's pretend that I want the first song right here. So obviously you want to choose music that flows with your content. For example, Since I am posting a video of myself looking in the mirror, or if I am posting a video of myself eating, I think most types of music will make sense, but I probably would not post baby music or electronic dance music, fist pumping. That wouldn't make sense, right? So make sure that you are selecting music that flows with the type of content that you are posting. So I am just going to select this one by John Legend, and then we can click on the arrow. Okay, so I just selected that. You can also choose the frame of the music that you like. So I am not going to do that this moment because obviously John Legend's voice will talk over me sharing this tutorial with you. So I am just going to click on next. By the way, if you want to speed up your video, you can do so as well by clicking on the 1x, and then you can speed it up by going 2x, but that looks funny. So I am just going to leave it at 1x. Okay, so I have my audio selected. I have my speed selected. Let's click on next. So I am pausing it because obviously the music is playing in the background and it will cover up my voice. Okay, next up, we are going to add the text. We had text in the previous reel, so we are going to do the same for this reel. Let's tap on the text. And then here I am going to write the same thing. Adult money is wild, period, enter. And one day you're stressing over treating yourself to $2 coffee. And the next day you drop $500 to go eat caviar, all because your cravings are telling you to go do it. Enter, it's okay to spend when you've earned it. Okay, so I had some spelling errors because I was using swipe on my keyboard. Just ignore that. So this was my exact text. Now notice that I said eat caviar because my video was related to myself eating caviar. But in this video, it was me shopping and I was just filming in front of a mirror. So I may want to adjust this text and make it say something like to go shopping. Okay, so we are just changing one word around slightly. And then you can change the appearance of your text. So I can select different types of text if I want to, but I don't like to use the other types of text because I find it hard to read. Usually I like this text and this one right here. Notice how it just looks more clean compared to this text. The problem with using text that is hard to read is that it makes people want to scroll away. So just imagine if you are scrolling on Instagram and you cannot read someone's text on their reel, you're not going to read it and you're just going to scroll past, and that creator is not going to get paid. So we don't want that. So let's go back to the text that I like, which is this one, and then I can adjust it on the left-hand side to make it fit. And if you like, you can also change the color, but I am not going to do that because I like this color right here, which is white. All right, click on done. And then now I can just move it around and make sure that it fits on my screen. So I don't want it to sit too low, but I also do not want it to sit too high up because once someone is looking at your Instagram profile, it may get cut off if I put my text all the way up here. So I like to put it somewhere in the middle, like right here. And I'm not sure if you can see, but there's like a double tap heart icon and a chat icon down here. We do not want to cover that up on the right-hand side. We want people to read our text clearly. So let me just level this out. Okay, so it looks like this is good. And if you want to continue editing your video, you can do so by clicking on edit video right here. And you can do any last minute edits if you like. For example, you can add new clips. I'm not going to do that, but you can add new clips. And there are other things you can do, such as voiceover. Sometimes I like to talk on top of the video. So you can click on voiceover to add your voice on top, but I'm not going to do that right now. So those are the main features that I use when I am editing my video on Instagram. As you can see, this is simple. I am not using any fancy software. I'm not paying for anyone to edit my videos. I am doing it myself and I still get paid. If you are a beginner trying to make money on Instagram using Reels, then I want to invite you to a free webinar training in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link, enter your name, enter your email address, and I will walk you through step by step how to make money on Instagram using two-step Reels. The best part is that you do not need any followers to do this. And at the end of the training, you get to apply for a free one-on-one consultation with my team, and we will teach you the entire process. Okay, so it looks like I am done editing. So I am just going to go back to my video, hover over it, and now I am going to click on next. So this is the last page. This is where you can write a caption. So let's write the same caption that I did for the previous video so I can drive people into my website. Let's click on an emoji. Let's look for the star emoji. I always like to use emojis because they stand out. And I am going to write comment freebie, and I'll send you a free course on how to make money on Instagram. And then put the phone emoji, and then write a small caption that relates to what you do. So I will put the internet gives us all an equal opportunity to earn money to become financially free. And then at the bottom, I can tell them to search Tamara T on YouTube to learn how to make money on Instagram. Okay, so this is my call to action. This is called a call to action. So I am getting Instagram users who are scrolling on the platform to do something. So if a user comments freebie, then my bot is going to send them a DM and drive them to my website. And that is where the business transaction happens. So for your digital product, whatever niche you are in, whatever product you are trying to promote on Instagram, you want to do something similar where you have a call to action. So then when a user comments a specific keyword, you can send them to your website. And if they are interested, they are going to buy from you. They are going to pay you. Also, let me show you how my Instagram bot looks like when someone comments a specific keyword on my reel. So I'm just going to get out of here and go to my messages. And under general, for example, when a user comments that specific keyword and I have that call to action in my reel, my bot will send them this message. As you can see, this user commented the keyword learn, and automatically my bot sent them to my website. And this is where the transaction happens. If this user wants to learn more on how to make money on Instagram, all they have to do is click on my website and then they can see the training. And if they are interested, they may pay me for my digital product. So that is how the bot works. The bot is created off Instagram. If you want to learn how to do this, then you can leave me a comment on this video. And if I get enough requests, I may just show you how to create this Instagram bot for yourself. So that is what happened with that previous reel. And I made so much money by posting just that 4-second reel. So I am going to click on OK and go to edit cover because we want the cover for this reel to look presentable. We don't want it to look weird on our profile grid. So right here, I can hover to a cover that I like. So I am going to choose this one where my eyes are looking down. And if I click on profile grid, you can see that this is how it looks like. And if I move it down a bit, you can see my entire head with my ponytail. So it looks cute. And then I click on done. You want to level the cover properly. There are other features you can use down here, but I don't use these features because they don't do much for my Instagram account. It's not like if I use any of these features, I am going to reach a broader audience. So I don't use this. However, sometimes I like to add location because if I am traveling or if I am at a unique place, I want people to know like, hey, I am on business class going to Japan or something. I think that's pretty cool. So sometimes you can add a location right here if you like. But I am not going to do that for this video. So let's click on cancel. And that's it. If I were to post this video, I click on share, but I'm not going to do that right now because this was just a tutorial. So I am going to save my draft, click on save draft, click on exit. And here you can see that my reel is now in draft. And if I want to post it, I can click on it again and then click on share. That is how simple it is to create an Instagram reel that can go viral, and it only takes a few minutes per day to do this. If you want to learn how I made over $48,000 in 30 days using Instagram Reels, then make sure you stick around and watch the next video that is coming up. Again, if you want my free training for Instagram Reels, then make sure you go to the YouTube description below to get my free training. At the end of the webinar training, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with my team, and we will teach you everything step by step, beginning to end, how you can make money using Instagram Reels and promoting your own digital products.